In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use columns in Smartsheet. We'll start by heading to smartsheet.com. Once you are in, the first place to navigate is your workspace. Think of a workspace as the home base for your sheets and related assets, keeping everything organized by team, project, or department. Open the workspace that contains the sheet you want to update so all your changes stay in the right place. Next, open the sheet you want to work on. This brings you to the grid view, where your rows hold records and your columns define the type of information you'll capture. The more intentionally you set up your columns, the cleaner your data will be and the easier your reporting becomes. Now look to the top right and click Add Column. This opens the column setup panel where you choose the column type and give it a clear, descriptive name. Naming matters. Short, specific names make filters, formulas, and dashboards much easier later on. Let's walk through the common column types you can add. Text/number is your flexible, all-purpose column for notes, IDs, and general entries. Drop-down list is perfect when you want consistency and control. You define the allowed values so people pick from the same set every time. Date captures calendar dates, great for due dates and milestones, and it works seamlessly with reminders and Gantt timelines. Checkbox gives you a simple yes/no field, ideal for flags like approved or ready. Auto number creates unique identifiers for each row automatically, which is especially useful for ticket numbers or request IDs. You'll also find visual and status-focused options. Status helps standardize lifecycle stages like not started, in progress, or complete. Progress and ratings provide quick visual indicators, think percentage or stars, while trends can signal movement up or down at a glance. System columns such as modified date and created date automatically record when a row was last changed and when it was first added, removing the need for manual tracking. For project and collaboration scenarios, duration works with dependencies to calculate timelines in days or hours. Contact list allows you to assign work to people, enabling notifications and ownership. Created by and modified by track who made or updated each row. And latest comment surfaces the most recent discussion on a row, so context is always visible without opening the full conversation. That's the flow. Go to your workspace, open your sheet, click Add Column, and choose the types that match the information you need. With the right mix of columns, your sheet becomes structured, reliable, and ready for automation and reporting.